Symbols can be super helpful for some and even more confusing to others. In this little video, I'll try to give you a couple of examples of how they can save you lots of time in control. So let's get to it. Imagine you're finally building your website. So where do you start? You start with a great title, just like that, and maybe some nav outlining pages of your website. So that might be portfolio, just like that. It might be writings, that might be about, and that's it. Let's center it so it looks like a real thing, and move on to adding some content, just like that. And it all works great and fun until you have to create a new page. So I already created our writings page right here, so we can go here and it's empty and there is no header and you're confused because you don't want to remake it one more time and you don't want to maintain your headers in different pages, in different instances. So here's where symbols can help you. Let's go back to home. To create a symbol, just select your objects and hit this little button right here, and you can call it nav, just like that. In symbols there are two modes. There is an edit source mode right here, which can be accessed by clicking that button. Also there is overwrite mode that can be accessed by double clicking your symbol. Also there are some other settings, like you can revert your overrides to original, or you can detach your symbol, your instance. But let's hit the edit source and perform a small trick. For easy placement of your header, let's adjust its boundaries to fit your screen, just like that, and hit save. Your symbol might move somewhere because its boundaries have changed, but it will be very easy to bring it back by clicking here. So here we go, you have your symbol. And also you might want to double click, go to the overrides and highlight a page you're on right now. For example, that can be portfolio. Okay, now we're ready to go to your another page, writings. And instead of feeling miserable and redoing this all from scratch, you can just right click, select symbols, hit nav, and here you go, here is your nav. And align it to your screen just like you did it before. Now we can hit overrides, select your writings, and highlight it with text style or with color or with bolts, just like that. Now if you want to adjust your symbol on all your pages from one instance, go and hit edit source, and for example you want to change this typeface to be more bold, just like that, and you even want to move it just like that. Hit save. You got it on your writings page, and now we go back to our home page, and as you might see, it also changed here. So you can use symbols for your navigation, for your footers, for your headers. You can also use it for components, so you can select a slider, you can customize your slider, like for example you can remove controls and you can customize your navigation position, and you can customize your navigation color. And if you want to, and you can even customize your dimensions. And now if you want to reuse this particular instance of slider across your website, you hit the symbol button, call it slider, create, and now on every page of your project, when you hit right click right here, you can get it and reuse it. And then you can double click, go into the content, and update your content for each particular instance. It's not going to affect any other instances. You can also go to the edit source and update your settings to affect all the instances. You can also add things like interactions in sliders, but we'll be covering it in later videos. So that's it. Go and try it yourself.